Good morning, Keller Williams. This is Josh here again. We are going to be going back into agent websites and we are going to be talking about how you can create your own blog posts or your own page. We will have a full custom page module to be built out later this year, but in the interim, this works out pretty great for a lot of functions here. So what you want to do is first thing go into your dashboard for editing your site. That's viewable through the command and the consumer tab, edit my website. What you want to do here is click blog post under the quick start guide. This is going to go ahead and generate a blank page that you are pretty much free to fill with whatever content you want. Let's say I come from the coffee world, as many of you already know, so I'm going to actually make a blog post about coffee because we want to. So we're going to talk about, let's see, coffee extraction principles. I don't know, that sounds cool. Whatever it may be. In most cases, you're going to be actually copying information over from one of your old custom pages on your old agent website. So you're going to go ahead and add, whatever title, whatever information that you want to be doing there, and then you're going to be going and filling in the body. For this one here, I copied some information here. I should go ahead and paste that, boom, directly into that, and it is going to then put that as my blog post, my little entry there. So it's pretty straightforward. I do, encourage that you read through it, make sure that the formatting looks good over here. Otherwise, it's a pretty simple text editor, bold, italicized, changing the font type, changing the format, left or right justification for your text. But really, whatever you want here, you can customize it pretty darn easily. There will be more features added to this throughout the year and probably over the next several years. But for right now, we can enter in that information. We can add images if we want to copy, add an image, embed a video, whatever. Let's go ahead and let's pull an image from our library here. Boom, this is a coffee thing, so let's throw a picture of coffee on this one. We then can add also, if we don't want to do an inline image, this one is going to be inline in between the text, or I can move it essentially to a different position. But if I want to create a new hero photo right here, maybe this is a video, I can go ahead and link a video here. Let's just do this one right there, and that's going to go ahead and populate up at the very top here. So the hero image is the image that is going to be like the big highlighted image on the page, and it is also the image that is going to be pulled onto the home page. So I don't know if you remember, let's go to this here. Sorry, this page looks a little bit different, but I don't know if you remember at the blog post right here, I have this one really large image that I can click onto this and that'll take me to the particular page for creating a new agent website. Or if I click on one of these images down here, these are all hero images. So if you want an image here, you have to put a hero image for this section here. Cool, and you can fill out that information. Let's say if you wanted to, the way I have my area set up, I have a grid. I did a 3x3 grid, and let's say in this one I wanted to put an image in this one here. So let's go ahead and hit the images button, go to image, and we're just going to go ahead and select this lovely charcuterie board here. I'm going to go ahead and do this one again, do another image. And let's go ahead and for this one, we'll do the coffee again. Save and close. And then if we look here on the preview, we can see these two images just appeared right here in the middle of the blog post. So this is a great way to sort of add a little interlude. Hey, throw some text, throw an image, whatever you want. So you can do it that way. It's all pretty customizable. There's a little bit extra space because I have these few fields here, but this was really, really useful for me laying out how I wanted to order my blog posts on my homepage. You can use this table thing wherever you want to sort of set up information as is. All right, so other than that, honestly, play around with this tool, drop in all sorts of different media, just kind of do a little bit of everything. There's a lot of cool things we can do with it, but please make sure you have a hero image or hero video set up at the top. That way it shows up on your list of blog posts properly. But that's what I have for you for creating a custom blog page. There's a lot you can do with it, but just take it easy, module at a time, play around with it, make it look the way you want. I hope this was helpful, and I'll talk to you in the next video.